Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's lesson. Hope all you are fine and all you are staying at home. For your better learning, we are creating new videos on different lessons of ICT. So today I will continue chapter 2 again, and obviously our today's lesson is lesson 10, use of network. So before I'll start my lesson, I want to ask you few questions. Last classes we have learned what is topology, then also we have learned what is computer network, right? So what is computer network, my dear students? Well, so computer network is a connection of two or more computers with a communicating media, and obviously they are sharing information with each other. Very good. So here we will learn today different uses of computer network. That means how or which area, what are the uses of computer network. That means computer network we are using for our daily purpose, not only daily purpose, in our life, how we are using, we will learn all this. Okay, maybe I'm running very fast. Whatever, see, first of all, you will see I have written some of the points from the lesson to summarize or what we will learn from this lesson. I have written that is use of computer network. In lesson 10 there are few points. If we summarize, if we want to make some points, we will get one is information, then database, then e-ticket, and then fingerprint, and last one Dropbox. All these are the uses of computer network from lesson 10. One thing first of all I want to ensure from you boys and girls and my dear students, that is use of computer network, it is divided into two lessons. One is lesson 10 and another one is from lesson 11. So both the lesson you will learn together, because you have to write the use of network. While you have to write the use of network, that time you have to write all these points. I'm writing separately today for my better discussion, that you understand better, okay? But while you are writing, suppose the question come in the board or in the JC examination, like explain the uses of computer network, that time you have to write all points from these two lessons. That means from lesson 10 and from lesson 11 both. I will discuss both the lesson separately with separate videos. Here there is 5 point, and in lesson 11 also you will get same like 4 or 5 or 6 points like this. So while the use of network will come in the examination, you have to write all together. Mostly we want to follow some patterns for writing. So for JSC examination, for ICT, we want to follow some patterns, like how to write the answer. Every time we instruct like this, you have to write introduction para, that means what is computer network, first explain that one, then write the uses of network, and then you just express your opinion at the end. Though it is ICT, it is all about information and communication, or it is all about technology, we don't have to show our creativity, is it? There is no other way to show our creativity, but we can show, we can give our opinion. That means in this way computer network is used. So you can also express your opinion except the book information. And one thing, first and foremost, you must keep in concern about the book information, okay? That means first you have to write the information from the book, and then you can proceed, or you can write more information related that topic what you know. That means in our real life we are getting news information about each and every topic. Whatever I have written here, you have seen, you're observing that whatever I will discuss, whatever will be in the book, that is not all at all. That is not all at all, right? That means there are more information about those in the outside the book. You can search in the network. That means you can search in the Google. We know that this is the most important search engine, and searching over there we can collect more information. Now come to the lesson one after one. First of all, information. I have divided the each and every part, every segment separately. See now. So what is information? Information is a collection of data. We know already, right? From mathematical terms or from class 6 or 7 from ICT book, we have already learned what is information. Now information can be of anything. Information can be educational, can be personal, can be social, business, any area. And that information is also asset. Like once actually it was called as asset for our life. That means if a country is resourceful with huge information, resourceful with their information, then that is the asset of the country, and that country is much more powerful than any other country. Now we are telling here information, because of network, because of computer network or networking system, now information can be shared, can be communicated. Like we can access any information if anyone giving permission, and if that is useful for us, we are using for our own purpose. It can be educational. Suppose any topic, like if you want to search any topic from your lesson, that means what is computer network or what is database, for your better understanding, if you want to search on the Google, that time where you are searching from others' computers, is it? Because they are sharing their piece of information with the Google server, and as you are searching from the Google, the server is allowing you to see the information or to collect the information, take the information. In that case, we can take an information and we can enrich ourselves. That means it is not like that only one country or only one person will be powerful one. Now each and every person, an ordinary person, can access to any information. If anyone is not sharing their personal information, that is different thing. That means some of the cases, obviously an organization or me also or you also don't want to share your very basic and personal information. Others we want to share. So in that case, which information is they are sharing, we are getting that part. Next one. Come for the next one, that is database. What is database? See, database is called storehouse of information. Database is storehouse of information. That means where we can store any type of data by different system, by different separately. Like if you think if you are a student of a school, so like your school want to collect all your information. That case, what you have, your name, your age, your class, your father's name, your mother's name, contact number. So there are huge information. Like you, when there is the number of student is more and more, like 1,000 or some cases more than 1,000. So each of the students, all this information can be separately stored, and when we need, we can also collect it separately. That means I want to see only the name of all the student. I don't want to see all the information, like I don't want to see the age of the students, I don't want to see the father's name on the contact number, nothing. I just want to see class 8 student, I just want to see any sections, a few students. So I will select the section, and the students who are on that section will be collected. Okay, so that's why it is called database is a store of collected data from where information can be collected in different ways to take important decision. Okay, so this is database, and now all the information is stored in the database, and accordingly we are collecting. We can see the collection in different pages. If you search on Google, If you search on any other areas, you will see all this different information in a different way. Okay, next one, see e-ticket. So we know what is ticket, right? Ticket means ticket can be of bus, train, plane, launch, or ship. That means if you want to roam from one place to another or visit any places, that time you have to purchase a piece of ticket from that transport service, and then showing the ticket you can go. So now that ticket, how we have to collect earlier, like we for train ticket, you know what is the hassle. That when you have to go to the station, you have to stand in a long queue, and then that long queue, when your turn will come, you can collect ticket if there is available seat, otherwise not. This is very pathetic, is it? We feel so exhausted. It is too bothering also. But now, because of network, because of technology, we are easily can collecting any type of ticket, like bus ticket, launch ticket, train ticket, from online, and it is the online version of ticket. That's why it is called e-ticket, electronic ticket. Now you want to go to any other country, you want to go to China, Japan, Australia, anywhere you want to go, you can purchase tickets sitting your home in your bed also. That means suppose you want to go to Cox's Bazar or in other area, there is some few air services like Novo Air, like one is given in your book also, Wiki Airs. Okay, so from there you can purchase your plane ticket easily. At the same time, if you want to purchase train ticket, government, they have a website. CSL has made their own website for the government site for train ticket, and you can collect train ticket. Your suitable seat is, if it is available. Fine. So this is all about e-ticket. So you can purchase any type of ticket using network, that means from online. There are some softwares, few softwares for bus or train or plane. Like for bus there is Shohoj.com. For plane there is Novair. Like this for launch and other systems or train, there is government website, and from there we can easily purchase our plane or any transport tickets. That is e-ticket. That is all about e-ticket. Now go for the next one. That is obviously new option. That means fingerprint or retina. So what is fingerprint or retina scan? Like we have our thumbs. Is it our hand? We have all this finger, and we all know that our fingerprint, one person fingerprint is different from another person. That means in the world, each and everyone, still now there is more than 700 billion people, as far as I know. Okay, fine. Maybe I can be wrong also. Okay, so you will learn from BGS. I don't want to bother about this one. So whatever the person is, whatever the people is in the world, all their fingerprint is different. That's why by this fingerprint, what is happening? Our identification or our identity can be find out. Okay, so for any cases, suppose you are a student, you want to give your attendance, there is a system. With the system, by giving your thumb or your fingerprint, you can access to the device, or you can give your attendance by giving fingerprint. Again, for any security purpose or for any registration purpose, I could not write that point. I should write the point registration. Like you have seen the different mobile phone companies, while they are registering you as a mobile consumer, that means a mobile SIM user, that time they are taking all your fingerprints. Why? To identify yourself. Again, also when you will be a voter of the country, when you will be the valid, what it called. So when you will be a citizen of the country, that time what will happen? You will have a voter identification, is it? That means NID card. So while your government is preparing your NID card, that time also government is taking your fingerprint and also taking your eye scanning. So what is scanning your eyes? What is scanning in our eyes? They are scanning our retina, because it is also different for each person. Okay, so fingerprint or retina scan, that is also different for each person, and these fingerprint and retina scan is preserved in the database of that organization. That means government organization or government is preserving all our these information in their database, and while it is needed through network, you are accessing any places that is very secured, that time they are also checking all this, and by checking all this information they are matching actually that you are a good person, or you what type of person you are, that is identified. Suppose I am a criminal, see, so I will be as a criminal, my information will be stored in the country, isn't it? Obviously. So when I will access in secure places, I will get access. Is it possible? No, because government has already collected my information while I am just trying to access over there. They are matching that information from the network. They are matching the information that that this person is okay or not. So by this, actually, our identification is find out by fingerprint or retina scan. So using network, it is also happening. We'll proceed for the next one. Last for today's lesson, but not the least one. So that is Dropbox. What is Dropbox? First of all, I have written a software technology, and it is a software technology. You have, if you want to see, you can see the figure in the book. See, image of Dropbox is given beside. So what is Dropbox? First of all, Dropbox is a software technology, obviously, and we can access this Dropbox, that means this software, from anywhere. If we have smartphone, or if we have laptop, desktop, whatever we have, or wherever we are, we can access. Suppose you have iPhone, or you have iPad, or you have Android phone, or any BlackBerry phone. Dropbox is an app. You can download it from the App Store, and you can easily use it. At the very beginning, Dropbox is giving you spaces like the database, as we are storing information. It is not like that. It is the hard disk drive or it is like a pen drive where we are storing our information, and we are taking that one with us, and we are using at our own need. When we need the information, we can access over there and we can get it. So Dropbox is also like that, but it is the application software, which one is giving you a space. At the beginning, it is giving you 2 GB of space. Okay, and then you can store your personal information. You can access from anywhere of the world, wherever you are, or you can access any time when necessary, and obviously you can use it for free. While you are the first user, you are using it with, that means you are using this one as a free subscriber. That time it will give you 2 GB of space, and if you need more space, for that you have to pay a minimum subscription charge. Okay, so it can be used in a smartphone also. So what is, if I give you an example, suppose I'm a student, I have my certificates, I want to study, I want to go for higher study in other country. That time I should not take all my hard papers. That means the certificate's hard copy. I'll take a soft copy, I'll store in the Dropbox, and well, I will I will go that country, any country like Australia or US or whatever the country is. I go there, and there going over there, if I need all these certificates, which one I have already stored in Dropbox, I can get access through the network and I can download those uploaded certificate from there and can use according my need. So it is very easy to use, is it, and very comfortable to manage. So we can access and from anywhere, and accordingly we can manage our system. So this is all about today's class. I will discuss more information about use of network in the next video, and over there also I will discuss about the question pattern of the JSC board of these lessons, that means lesson 10 and 11, and I will proceed how to write the answer, everything I will discuss as I discuss here also. Thank you all, thank you for listening me, and obviously stay home, stay safe, okay, because if you are safe, your family is safe. If you are safe, I am also safe. Thank you all.